Students, I'm going to just show you really quickly how you can log into FlipGrid. So the first thing you want to do is go to flipgrid.com, and at the top you're going to see an enter a join code. You will see here on the side I've got my join code. Westhead 8461 is the one for our class, so we type in Westhead 8461 and then we click the enter button. That's going to take us to a new page. The next thing it's going to ask us is to either enter our student username or scan the QR code. So if you are on a desktop with a webcam, you can simply add your student ID, which will be your first initial and last name. You'll see that on the code. Or if you're on your phone, you can simply scan the QR code with your camera. So in this case, since we're on a desktop, mine is AB4 78984. I've got click to remember me so I can remember it later on. If I need to double check, I can just click on the eyeball to show to make sure I've got the right code, hide it, and then here we go, go. My computer's asking me, do I want to save it? And there we go, I'm logged in to our class FlipGrid.